Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my BBR Mathematics Learning Channel. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಎಲಿಜಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ 2025 ಏನು ಕಾಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗೋ ರೀತಿ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ಸು ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ 1 ಹಾಗೆ ಪೇಪರ್ 2ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗೋ ರೀತಿ ಲೆಸನ್ ವೈಸ್ ನಾವು ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಸನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. So in that question number 1 we have taken when m is divided by 7 the remainder is 5. Okay, so read the question properly. When m is divided by 7 and the remainder is what here 5. When 3m is divided by 7 then what is the remainder? So m is divided by 7, the remainder is 5. Suppose if 3m is divided by 7, what is the remainder? It is the question. They are given 4 options also. One is 3, 2, 1 and 0. You have to find out the remainder. So question what they are given, first I'll write here. According to the question, when m is divided by 7. When m is divided by 7, so you'll get some quotient, right? So the remainder is 5. Okay, so according to the division algorithm method, we can write a is equals to b cube plus r. Here a is the dividend, that is m is equals to b is the a is the divisor and b is the dividend, that is 7 into quotient we don't know, right, as it is q, that is r they are given in the question, that is 5. Okay, so this can be as m is equals to 7q plus 5. So one more question they are asked, when 3m is divided by 7 what is the remainder? So multiply this equation by 7, sorry 3. So this equation becomes 3m is equals to 3 into 7q plus 5. Okay, so 3m is equals to 3 sevens are 21q plus 3 fives are 15. Now, so 3m is equals to from this one can be written as 21q plus instead of 15 we can write 14 plus 1. So here just for simplification I am writing here instead of 15 14 plus 1. There is no changes in the value. So from these two 21q and 14 we can take. So from this I am writing here. So this equation is 3m. So equation you got 3m is equals to 21q plus 14 plus 1. Okay. 14 plus 1. So 3m is equals to, from this I already told, take 7 as a common factor. So 21 can be as 7 3 is a 21. Q you write as it is plus 2 plus 1 you write as it is. So now this is in the form of division algorithm formula, that is A is equals to B into Q plus R. So here A is the dividend, B is the this one. B value is this one, sorry this one 7 and Q value is this quotient and R is the, what is the R value now? In place of R what is this there? 1. So when 3m is divisible by 7 the remainder will be 1. This is the answer for next question, sorry first question. Okay. So what is the answer here? Option C is the answer, because when 3m is already explained how you got the remainder 1 when 3m is divisible by 7. I think you all are understood. So we go for next one. Second question. Question number 2. The LCM of two numbers. Wait. First you read the question carefully. The LCM of two numbers is 3. The LCM of two numbers is what? 3. Okay. 3 times, sorry, not 3, 3 times their HCF. The LCM of two numbers is 3 times their HCF. The sum of LCM and HCF is how much? 120. They are given the conditions here. Using these conditions, and also they are given if one of the number is 90. What is the other number? They are given the LCM of two numbers. So one number they are given 90. You should find out another number using these conditions. First you read the question carefully. The LCM of two numbers is 3 times their SCF. The sum of the LCM and SCF is 120. And also they are given if one of the number is 90, what is the other number? So here also they are given four options. 4, 30, and option C is 90 and option D is 120. Okay, so let us check out how to solve this equation. So you should know the relationship. So they are given the LCM of two numbers. Okay, the LCM of two numbers, we don't know the two numbers. One of the number they are given, that is taken as A is equals to 90. They are given one of the number and also they are given some condition. The LCM of two numbers is 3 times. LCM of two numbers is, LCM is taken as L, that is 3 times their HCF. Okay. And also they are given the sum of LCM and SCF is 120. This is also they are given in the question, and this also they are given in the question. The sum of LCM and SCF of two numbers is 120 and they are given one of the number that is 90. You should find out the another number that is B is equals to how much. Okay. So here instead of L we can write 3H plus H you write as it is, that is equals to 120. 3H plus H is 4H, that is equals to 120. Then keep H as it is. Cross multiply 4. You will get 120 by 4. That is equals to 4 ones are 4. 4 threes are 12 and 4 zeros are 0. You get 30 is the HCF. Okay. You got 30 is the HCF. But you should find out another number. So for that you should use a relationship between HCF, HCF, LCM and the two numbers. Okay. That is right here. That is A into B. The product of two numbers is equals to the product of HCF and LCM. So A they are given the question that is 90 and we don't know the other number. We are finding out. Write it as it is. H we got. How much we got? 30 into L also we know. L is equals to 3 times their SCF. That is equals to 3 into 30. You'll get 3 3 is a 9. 90 you'll get for L. So using this condition, you should find out the LCM. So H we got 30, 30 into 3 will get 90. Substitute 90 here. Okay. So now you cross multiply 90. So we are finding out the other number B. 30 into 90, you write it as it is, right hand side. And from left hand side, this 90 you cross multiply, it comes to denominator. Okay. So here 90, 90 get cancelled. The remaining number is 30. So another number you got here 30. So in the option you see, in the option 30. So we got the another number value that is 30. Where is 30 here? Option B. Okay. So this is the option B is the right answer. Or I put tick mark or I write the option. So these are all not direct question. I have to solve and find out the answer. Okay. So next one we'll go for next one, question number 3. Question number 3 is, what is the decimal value of the binary number 101101? So you have to find out the decimal value for the binary number. They are given the binary number. How to find out the decimal value? So you know the condition, right? So you have to write it in the powers of 2. When you are going to write the binary number, you have to write the in the powers of 2. So first you write the what is the number of digits from right side. From right side means from here. Okay. So from this side, from right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So from the first digit you have to take it as 2 power 0. Okay. First number have to starts from 2 power 0. Then 2 power 1, and 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5. So this can be written as in the binary form. So this can be written as in the form, binary form. I write it here because here there is no space, proper space. So what is the number they are given? First you write. Okay. That is 101101. There are 6 digits. From right side you have to write this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from here we can write 1 into 2 power 5. Already told binary system method means you have to write it in the 2 powers. So 1 into 2 power 5 plus 0 into 2 power 4 plus 1 into 2 power 3 plus 1 into 2 power 2 plus 0 into 2 power 1 plus 1 into 2 power 0. So now you have to find out the value. 2 power 5 value is how much? 30. To multiply 2, 5 times you will get 32. 32 into 1 is 32. Plus, here anything into 0 you will get 0. Plus 2 power 3 value. Multiply 2 3 times. You will get 8. 8 ones are 8. Plus 2 power 2 is 4. 4 ones are 4. Plus anything into 0 is you will get 0. Plus anything power 0 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Now you add all the numbers to get the decimal value. 32 plus 8, 40. 4 plus 1, 5. That is equals to 45. Your answer is 45. You will see here in the option where is 45. So 45 is in option A. Okay. So next one, next question. It's very simple one, question number 3. Go for next question, question number 4. A candidate scored 198 marks in the exam. Candidate scored 198 marks in an exam, still failed by 36. Okay. 36 marks. The maximum marks for the exam were. So here they are not given for how much marks the exam will be conducted. Exam was conducted. But here they are given a candidate scored 198 marks. For out of marks we don't know. We have to find out the out of marks. So here he scored 198 and that too he failed by 36. What is the total passing marks then? How to add these two, you'll get the passing marks. We don't know for how much percentage. ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ಗೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇವೆರಡು ನಾವು ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥ ಫೇಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ 36 ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಇವೆರಡನ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅವರು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಿದೆ ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್ 4 ಆಪ್ಷನ್. A is 560 and option B is 610 and option C is 585 and option D is 480. ಸೊ ಯೂಶಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ 30%, 35%, 40% ಈ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು 40ನ 30ನ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ 35 ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. So here candidate ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ? Candidate scored 198 marks out of which how much we don't know. Plus he failed by 36 ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ he failed by 36 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವನು ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ ಅನ್ನೋದು. 8 plus 6 14, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 1 13 and 2 will get 234 is the ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇದು. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟು ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ದಟ್. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ 234ನ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇನ್ನು ನಾವು 40% ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ 30% ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 234ನ ಸಪೋಸ್ ನಾನು 40% ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. 40% ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು 30% ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ 35 ಅಂತಾನು ಕೂಡ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು 40 ಅಂತ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 40% ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 40/100 ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನು ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, 234. ಸೊ 234/40% ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಸೊ 40%ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಸ್ 234 into 100/40 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 0 0 ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ಡ್, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, and 2 1s are 2 1s are. Just do the simplification, and 2 1s are 2 7s are. So 117 into 5. If you multiply these to 117 into 5, you'll get 585. So total marks ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ 585 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ನೀವು ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ 30% ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಬಂದು 30% ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ you'll get the total marks 780. If you do the calculation the same way, you'll get the total marks 780. But 780 it is not there in the option. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನೀವು 35% ಕೂಡ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. You'll get some different marks. That is also not there in the option. Here 585 is there in the option. So I am considered here 40% is the passing package, passing percentage. Okay, so this can be written as like this and calculate. You'll get the total marks, how much the exam, for how much marks the exam was conducted. Okay, so here you got 585. That is, you see here 780 it is not there, so 585 is there. If you take 50% for 45%, so you'll get the different numbers. But they are not in the option. Here if I take 40%, you'll get 585. It is in the option. So option C is the correct answer. Okay, 585. So I think you all are understood. If you get any doubts, you please write it in the comment box. I'll try to clarify your doubts. Okay. So next, question number 5. It's a very simple question. It is very lengthy question, but it is very simple one. By seeing the option only, you can answer the question. Okay. In a 3-digit number. Okay. In a 3-digit number, the digits in unit place is twice the digit in the 10 place, and 155 times the digit in the 100 place. So ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡ್ತಿದಂಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಥ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಒನ್. ಬೈ ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ you'll get the answer. Okay, so you read the question twice or thrice. In a 3-digit number, the digit in the unit place is twice the digit in the tens place, and 1.5 times the digits in the 100 place. If the sum of all the 3 digits, this is very important. Okay, if the sum of all the 3 digits of the number is how much? 13. So what is the number? By using this condition only you can find out by seeing the options. First you see the option here, 356. It is a 3-digit number. So let it be the first 2 condition. Use the last condition. If the sum of all the 3 digits, take the sum of all the 3 digits. 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 6, 14. But here they are given 13. So this is not is the correct answer. So next one is 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 is not there. So 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 6, 13. We are getting the sum of the 3 digits, 13 from option C. You check out for D also. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 is not the sum of the 3 digits. Only the 13. By seeing this only, you can easily find out the answer. So these 5 questions we were discussed in this first class. This is the class 1 actually. So in the next class too, I'll discuss some more questions. So if you have any doubts, you please write it in the comment box. I'll try to find out, clarify your doubts. And if you like this video, please like and share as much as possible for your friends, those who are taken Karnataka TET 2025 exam. So we'll see in the next class. Thank you for listening.